This is the Eastside Centre, which has many baseball diamonds, a football field, and a large indoor fitness facility. East Peoria is a city that is just east of Peoria, Illinois, but I think that goes without saying. As you look at a map of East Peoria, you can kind of see that it has a weird layout. I had to map an unconventional route, so to say, in order to explore this one, but I was able to do so nonetheless. Well, let's get to it, shall we? I start the video in a part of East Peoria that has a metric crap ton of big box retail stores, but it does have a small downtown area too. Not sure how many of these places are open or how popular these places are, but this is downtown East Peoria. We are on the main street, which is called Washington Street, and it looks like a typical main street here. If you're unfamiliar with my videos, I do speed up my videos in order to show more in a less amount of time. You can always keep track of the real time that it takes me to drive in the lower left corner of the screen. If I go too fast for you, you can always adjust the playback speed by pressing the gear icon on the desktop or by pressing the three-dotted menu on a mobile device. Isn't YouTube great? Also really quick, as if you enjoy this video, you might enjoy checking out some of the other videos that are featured on my channel playlists. Other videos of similar places like East Peoria can be found in my Illinois playlist or my Peoria, Illinois playlist. I found out pretty quickly just by driving through here that the geography of the land just southeast of Peoria on the other side of the Illinois River, which is where we are, can be described as a widespread area of ravines between the river valley and the higher ground, which is basically the flat farmland that makes up the entire state of Illinois. In this video, you'll not only see the city of East Peoria, but you'll see the land that the city has been built on. You'll see both the ravines that I mentioned and the flat farmland on the other side of the ravines that make up basically the entire central portion of the state. East Peoria ain't no East St. Louis. East Peoria is home to 22,500 residents, which is down 3.7% from the 2010 census when the city had about 1,000 more residents. The median household income here is $57,000 per year, and 8% of the city's residents live in poverty. 23% of adults 25 and older have at least a bachelor's degree, and the median value of owner-occupied housing is $136,000. Niche.com ranks the public schools as a B. The property crime rate is only slightly above the U.S. average, but possibly the worst stat is that the violent crime rate in East Peoria is 500 for every 100,000 residents, which isn't quite double the U.S. average, but it's almost there. That number definitely could be better. Make sure to drop a like for that amazing insight. Up ahead, you'll be able to see the transmitter tower for Peoria's NBC affiliate. People that aren't from these smaller mid-sized cities sometimes don't realize that these mid-sized cities are just big enough to support having their own TV markets. If you didn't know, now you do. Illinois is the third flattest state in the nation, only after Florida and Louisiana. It might not look like it when you're closer to Peoria, but when you see the land out this way, it makes way more sense. And now we're back to being on a windy road that goes downhill towards the river valley. Among the most notable people from here is MLB manager Joe Girardi, who is mostly known for being the manager for the Yankees from 2008 to 2017. He's now the manager of the Philadelphia Phillies. Girardi played Little League for East Peoria as a young buck. This is the Eastside Centre, which has many baseball diamonds, a football field, and a large indoor fitness facility. Its website says that it's one of the premier athletic facilities in the Midwest. They might not be wrong. It seems to have a really nice indoor facility, and the outdoor fields look to be really nicely kept up with. Behind the indoor rec center is an outdoor water park. There's really not too much else to the place. It's just more of going in and out of ravines before we get to the main highway as I drive to the next city that I film. Well, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as doing all of those things helps these videos out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video of an area near you. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy checking out some of the playlists that are featured on my channel, such as my Illinois playlist or my Peoria, Illinois playlist. We'll see you next time. Peace!
You